In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily add skin glow to your photos when it comes to Photoshop. And before you add skin glow, the very first step to adding skin shine is first of all adding shape or dimension to your image or to your photo. So what we want to do first, we want to use a technique known as global dodging and burning to enhance the highlights and the shadows in the image. So sometimes whenever you're trying to edit photos, they sometimes end up looking a little bit flat. So with this technique, we want to bring back the original shape or dimension to this very image. So how are we going to do this? We are going to come to adjustments and come to curves adjustment layer. Then click in the middle and drag down to darken the image slightly. With this white layer mask selected, we shall press Ctrl I on the keyboard, or you can use Command I. Then you're going to double click on this name and you're going to name this to burn. So burn is for shadows and dodging is for highlights. So we're going to create another adjustment layer for the curves, and we're just going to click in the middle and brighten up this. Then press Command I, or you can use Ctrl I to invert the effect, and you're going to name that to dodge. So after creating these two layers, you're just going to select both the dodge and burn layer and pressing Ctrl G, or you can use Command G, or simply drag and drop them on this new folder icon or on the folder icon to put them into a group, and you can rename that group to D and B for dodging and burning. After renaming these to dodging and burning, we are going to come and we basically add shape or dimension. So in order to do this, just come and get the normal brush tool. So this is the normal brush tool, and after getting it, make sure for your settings the hardness set to 0, soft round brush is selected, the mode is set to normal, opacity and flow at 100%. Then we are going to come and make sure we have black and white on these two color swatches down here. So in case you have any color that is not black and white among the color swatches, simply press D on the keyboard to reset this to black and white. And to switch between black and white, you're going to simply use the arrow key or use X on the keyboard. So make sure white is the foreground color. So come and click or select this black layer mask, and using a white brush, we are going to simply draw lines over the dark areas of the image. So just draw a line like that, and we shall just come and draw a line on that part of the nose, and reduce on the size of the brush by using the square bracket keys on the keyboard, and just draw lines like that. So what this is going to help us do, it is going to help us create shape or dimension later on. So you can see the lines that we are adding are going to be blended later into the skin. So we're going to do the same for the dodging, and for dodging we're just going to paint on that area on the cheek, and also enhance this highlight on the cheek, and also enhance that highlight on the nose, and don't forget this highlight around the chin. So for the effect to be blended well into the skin, simply double click on this layer mask to open up the properties, and simply move the feathering forward like that until when the effect is blending well into the skin. Then double click on the burn layer mask and you can simply move this forward and stop at that point whereby the effect has blended well into the skin. So by just doing these simple adjustments, and by the way, you can adjust the opacity accordingly in case the effect is too much for your taste or for your liking. So you can say before and after, before, after. So in order to create skin glow or skin shine to the model skin, all we have to do is create one final curves adjustment layer, come back to the curves, and come to where you see this pointer on the right hand side, and just move that pointer towards the left hand side. And what this is going to do, it is going to brighten up the image. So just brighten it up slightly. Then after brightening this up, all you have to do is come into the blending options. So just come, how to achieve blending options, you can simply right click and come to blending options right here. And when you come to blending options, it's going to open up the layer style dialog box right here. So all we have to do, you can see the overall image has become bright, but we only want to limit the glow or the skin shine on the brighter areas of the skin. So come and measure blend if it's set to gray, and right here under blend mode is set to normal, opacity at 100%, then blend if it's set to gray, and come to underlying layer. So just come and move this forward like that. So move those pointers forward and stop at that point whereby only the brightest areas on the skin are being affected in this case. So I'm just going to move this forward even more. So about there it looks okay. So for the effect to blend well into the skin, all we have to do is hold down the option key on the keyboard. In case you're using Windows, it is the alternate key on the keyboard, and split these pointers like that. And you have to stop at that point whereby the effect is blended quite well into the skin, and you have a very nice and beautiful transition between the colors. So just come and click OK. Right now the effect is appearing into the image. So all we have to do is simply inverting this layer mask by pressing Ctrl I on the keyboard, or you can use Command I on the keyboard to invert the effect. And with this, just get the brush tool and simply paint only in the areas where you want the effect. So for this, I'll just paint in that particular area, and I'll just come and paint on that area like that. And this is going to help us create skin glow or skin shine in those particular areas. So I'm just going to even paint some on the forehead area right there. But as you're going to be seeing, right now the effect is too much. So all we have to do is simply coming to the opacity of this curves layer and simply reduce on the opacity for the effect to look real or to be more realistic. So about 62 is okay. So this is a before, after, before and after. So this is how you can simply add skin glow or skin shine by using the curves adjustment layer in Photoshop. So I hope you have learned a thing or two from this very video. Ronix from Ronix Photography, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button on this channel because we want it to grow as much as possible. And remember, when you like the video, it helps YouTube push and recommend this video and this channel in general to many people out there interested in learning beautiful photography techniques. Don't forget, keep practicing, and as well keep creating.